Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to send ledger statements in Tally Prime. First, open Tally Prime and from the gateway of Tally, select Display More Reports. Then, choose Account Books to find your ledger options. This initial step is crucial for accessing the necessary reports before you can begin the process of sending them out. We'll guide you through each part of this simple procedure. Once in Account Books, select the specific ledger account you wish to send. After selecting, you can adjust the reporting period to cover the dates you need. Tally Prime allows you to customize how the statement appears, ensuring it meets your requirements. This flexibility helps present clear and accurate financial information to your recipients, making the statement easy to understand. With your ledger configured, press Alt+E or select the Export option from the top menu bar. You'll then choose the desired format, such as PDF or Excel, for your statement. Finally, specify the location where you want to save the exported file on your computer. This step prepares your statement for sharing, ensuring it is in a universally accessible format. After exporting, or even directly from the ledger display, you can use the email option. Tally Prime allows you to enter the recipient's email address and any additional message. This integrated feature streamlines the process, letting you send the ledger statement directly from the software. It's a quick and efficient way to share financial details with clients or stakeholders.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.